In the digital age of business, invoicing is a fundamental and often critical task. It's the mechanism by which businesses get paid for their products or services, making a good invoicing system non-negotiable for smooth cash flow. When businesses, especially small ones or freelancers, look for free or low-cost accounting solutions, GnuCash frequently comes up as a powerful contender. This naturally leads to a crucial question. Can GnuCash do invoices? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that yes, GnuCash has invoicing capabilities, but it's important to understand the nature of those capabilities. GnuCash's invoicing functionality is robust and fully integrated with its double-entry accounting system, but it is a more traditional, desktop-based approach compared to the highly automated, cloud-based solutions you might find elsewhere. Let's break down how GnuCash handles invoicing and what you need to know to leverage this feature effectively. The role of GnuCash's invoicing module. GnuCash's invoicing module is not a standalone feature. It's a deeply integrated part of its accounts receivable system. The entire process is designed to ensure that every invoice you create and every payment you receive is accurately and automatically recorded in your general ledger. This is a core benefit of GnuCash's double-entry system. Here's a step-by-step overview of the responsibilities of GnuCash's invoicing module. Customer management. Before you can create an invoice, you need to set up your customer base. GnuCash is responsible for providing a dedicated space to manage customer contact details, their billing information, and a history of all transactions with them. This centralizes your client data and ensures accuracy. Creating and customizing invoices. GnuCash allows you to generate professional-looking invoices. It comes with a selection of standard templates, and you have the ability to customize these templates to include your business's logo and specific branding details. This is crucial for maintaining a professional image. The invoice itself is where you define the products or services rendered, quantities, unit prices, and subtotal. Applying taxes and discounts. The software is responsible for calculating and applying sales tax, VAT, GST, etc., based on your country's or region's tax laws. You can set up different tax tables and apply them to specific line items. Similarly, it handles discounts, ensuring the final amount due is accurate. Integration with accounts receivable. This is where the power of GnuCash's double-entry system truly shines. When you post an invoice in GnuCash, it doesn't just create a document. It automatically creates a journal entry in your accounting ledger. This entry typically debits your accounts receivable account, indicating that money is now owed to you. Credits a revenue or sales account, recognizing the income from the sale. This automated process ensures your financial records are always up to date and reduces the chance of manual entry errors. Payment processing and receipt. When a customer pays an invoice, GnuCash's responsibility is to provide a clear and simple way to record that payment. You can enter the payment amount, select the bank or cash account where the money was deposited, and link the payment directly to the invoice. This action automatically credits your accounts receivable account, reducing the amount the customer owes. Debits your bank/checking account, reflecting the increase in your cash balance. This process marks the invoice as paid and ensures your financial statements are accurate. Reporting and analysis. GnuCash's invoicing module is a primary source of data for its financial reporting features. It is responsible for providing insights into your sales, outstanding balances, and cash flow. You can generate reports like accounts receivable aging, a report that shows which invoices are past due and by how many days, helping you prioritize collections. Customer statements, a summary of all invoices and payments for a specific customer. Revenue reports, analysis of your sales over a period of time. Limitations of GnuCash's invoicing. While GnuCash is very capable, as an accounting software expert, I must highlight its key limitations compared to modern, cloud-based invoicing solutions. No online payment integration. GnuCash does not have a built-in feature to directly link to online payment processors, like PayPal, Stripe, etc., to allow clients to click a link on the invoice and pay you instantly. You would have to manually record these payments once they are received. Manual invoice delivery. Invoices are typically generated as PDF documents. You are responsible for sending these invoices to your clients via email or regular mail. There is no automated email delivery or follow-up system. Limited automation. Unlike cloud-based tools that can automatically send payment reminders or generate recurring invoices on a schedule, these processes are largely manual in GnuCash. You would need to set up reminders for yourself to follow up on overdue payments. No client portal. GnuCash does not have a client-facing portal where customers can log in, view their invoices, and make payments. All interaction is done through the invoices you send. Desktop only. Being a desktop application, you can only access and work on your GnuCash files from the computer where it's installed. This lacks the flexibility of cloud-based software that you can access from anywhere on any device. Who is GnuCash invoicing suitable for? GnuCash's invoicing functionality is an excellent fit for freelancers and sole proprietors, individuals who need a solid, free tool to create professional invoices and accurately track their income and expenses without the bells and whistles of online automation. Small businesses with a local customer base. Companies that do not require online payment links or automated reminders and are comfortable with a more manual, desktop-based invoicing process. Businesses on a tight budget. Those who need the fundamental power of double-entry accounting and invoicing without the recurring monthly fees of a subscription service.